Hello, and thank you for visiting the WoundSource Practice Accelerator on Surgical Wound Management. My name is Miranda Henry, the Editorial Director of WoundSource. The WoundSource Practice Accelerator series is an immersive program designed to provide educational resources on a key clinical topic throughout the entire month. This October's Practice Accelerator theme is on surgical wound management and offers an overview on post-operative surgical site care, surgical wound classification, and guidance in the prevention of complications in incisional wounds. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimates approximately 30 million surgeries are performed annually in the United States. Of those procedures, failure to heal, including wound dehiscence and surgical site infections, is the most common major complication related to surgical wound management. Surgical site infection is considered a never event by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and reimbursement for services provided by a given facility is negatively affected by surgical site infection rate. It is estimated that nearly half of surgical site infections from Class 1 surgical wounds are preventable. In order to prevent incisional wound complications, appropriate cleansing, skin care, and moisture management are requisite parts of the postoperative plan of care. This Practice Accelerator will provide clinicians with necessary information on surgical wound management, addressing clinical issues associated with surgical site complications. Patient risk factors and wound assessment strategies are provided, along with up-to-date information on preventative wound management practices to support the reduction of surgical site infections and other complications. This Practice Accelerator program includes free educational materials on surgical wound management for use in your practice. On the Practice Accelerator page, you can download our overview white paper on surgical wound management and postoperative wound care. Click on the links provided to view our featured articles for the month on this topic. Visit our glossary for definitions of key terms to support education on the management of surgical incisions. Follow WoundSource on Facebook and Twitter for a fact a day on surgical wound care. Share these posts with your colleagues to increase their knowledge in a fun way. You may also download our companion Quick Facts Sheet, which includes these monthly facts in a convenient handout format to share with your staff or patients. Join us for this month's featured webinar program, When Acute Healing Goes Wrong, Surgical Wounds and Surgical Site Infections, presented by Dr. Thomas Serena. And test your knowledge with the Practice Accelerator quiz, available for you to take at any point during the month. Look for future Practice Accelerator series topics over the course of 2018. Sign up for our newsletter to receive regular updates on upcoming events and resources at WoundSource.com. Join us throughout this month to access our free program resources to enhance your approach to the prevention and management of surgical site complications to improve healing rates and patient recovery time. Thank you.